In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in ClickUp. Labels are a flexible way to categorize work, add context at a glance, and keep your team aligned. We'll start in list view since that layout makes it easy to see your tasks and customize the columns. Open the list where you want to organize your tasks with labels, pick a task in that list, then look for the plus icon to add a new field. This is where we'll introduce a labels field to your setup. In the field picker, use the search bar and type labels. You'll see the labels field type appear. Select it to add it to your list. Give your field a clear descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for. Click into the field name and rename it to match your use case, like task labels or workflow tags. Next, open the labels options to define the choices your team can apply. If you're not sure which options to start with, click Suggest to see helpful common choices. When you're satisfied, click Create to save the field with those options. If a setup panel is still open, close it using the small minus or close icon so you can get back to your list view. Before you move on, turn on the highlight setting for this field. Highlighting makes labels stand out visually, which speeds up scanning and helps you spot the right tasks immediately. Now let's apply labels to a task. Click into the label field on your chosen task and select Urgent when something needs immediate attention. Use In Progress to mark items that are actively being worked on. Choose Completed to indicate work that's finished. On Hold is perfect for tasks that are blocked or paused and need a follow-up later. And Backlog is handy for ideas or tasks you want to track but don't plan to tackle yet. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your labels short and consistent so they're easy to scan. Use labels to add context beyond status, think priority, workflow stage, or category without replacing your actual task statuses. If your team uses color coding, assign distinct colors to key labels so they stand out. You can always edit your label list later, merging duplicates or removing ones no longer needed. That's it. You've added a labels field, named it, set up options using suggestions, created it, turned on highlight, and applied labels like urgent, in progress, completed, on hold, and backlog to your tasks. With this in place, your list becomes clearer, more searchable, and easier to manage at a glance.